If your car battery keeps dying and you're tired of being stranded, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Noco Genius One. Introducing the Noco Genius One. This compact 1A charger is priced at just $29.95, and it immediately caught my eye with its smart technology. If you want a simple solution for maintaining your battery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Genius One is designed for 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. It can charge dead batteries from as low as 1 volt, which means it's perfect for those times when your battery feels completely drained. The integrated thermal sensor adjusts the charge based on the temperature, preventing overcharging in hot weather and undercharging in cold. With over 20,000 units sold last month, it's clear people trust this little guy to keep their batteries healthy. Now, some people complained about the charging speed, saying it can take a bit longer to fully charge compared to higher amp models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for maintenance rather than a quick jump start, this slower speed might actually be a benefit, letting your battery recharge gently and last longer. This is perfect for you if you have a small vehicle or if you just want a reliable battery maintainer without spending a fortune. But skip this one if you're in urgent need of a fast charge for a larger battery or running heavy-duty equipment. Overall, for $29.95, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Genius One's lower charging speed bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Noco Genius 5. At $69.87, this 5A charger is slightly pricier, but it packs a punch. If you need a more powerful option for a variety of vehicles, this is definitely worth considering. With over 8,000 units sold in the past month, the Genius 5 offers a great mix of features. It can charge both 6V and 12V batteries, making it versatile for cars, motorcycles, and even lawn equipment. What's cool is the force mode, allowing you to manually charge batteries that are completely dead. It also has that integrated thermal sensor, so it adjusts the charge based on temperature, ensuring optimal performance. However, some users mentioned that the cables could be a bit short, especially if you're working with larger vehicles. But honestly, if you're using it primarily at home or in a garage, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep an extension cord handy if you need more reach. This is perfect for you if you own multiple types of vehicles or need something more powerful, but skip this one if you only need a charger for occasional use, since it might be overkill. For the features you get, it's quite a good value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more compact design. Product number 3, Noco Genius 10. Let's talk about the Noco Genius 10. At $99.95, this 10A charger is the big brother in the Genius line, and honestly, it genuinely surprised me with its capabilities. If you're serious about battery maintenance, this is worth your attention. This model can handle charging and maintaining multiple battery types, including both lead-acid and lithium-ion, up to 10 amps. It features that same temperature sensing technology, but what sets it apart is its ability to restore battery health with precision pulse charging. It can even charge batteries that are down to 0 volts. This means it's a lifesaver for neglected batteries that might be sitting around. But here's the drawback. It's heavier and bulkier than the other models. Some users might find it inconvenient if they need to move it around frequently. However, if you have multiple vehicles or plan to keep it in one place, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you have larger vehicles or multiple batteries to maintain, but skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable. For what you get, it's a robust option that will pay off in battery longevity. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much power, let's move on to the next one. Product number 4, Noco Genius 2. We have the Noco Genius 2. This 2A charger is compact yet powerful, and it's designed to be energy efficient. If you want a reliable charger that won't take up space, this is worth a serious look. The Genius 2 is optimized for all types of lead-acid and lithium batteries. It can charge down to 0 volts, which means it's perfect for reviving those old batteries that you thought were dead. Plus, it has that temperature compensation feature to tailor the charge according to the environment, which is super important for battery health. Now, some users noted that it might not be sufficient for larger batteries. If you have a big truck or an RV, this might not be the best fit. But honestly, for regular cars and smaller vehicles, it's a fantastic option that balances performance and price nicely. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, efficient charger without the extra bells and whistles. But skip this one if you have heavy-duty vehicles that need more power. For the price, it's a solid investment. And now, for those on a really tight budget, let's check out our last option. Product number 5, the Yonhan battery charger. We have the Yonhan battery charger priced at a budget-friendly $22.67. It's a 10-amp charger that claims to do it all, and I'll be real with you, for the price, it packs a lot of features. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, this is worth considering. What I really liked about this charger is that it includes winter and summer modes, adjusting the charge based on temperature to keep your battery in top shape year-round. Plus, the backlit LCD is super handy for monitoring voltage and current, so you know exactly what's going on with your battery. However, some users pointed out that it can be tricky to get a good connection if the battery terminals are dirty. It's important to keep those clean for optimal performance. But honestly, if you're diligent about maintenance, this shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option that still provides solid performance, but skip this one if you want something more high-end or with more advanced features. For what you pay, it offers decent value. Now, let's wrap this up and compare everything. So, to quickly recap, we covered the noco Genius 1, Genius 5, Genius 10, Genius 2, and the Yonhan battery charger. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the noco Genius 10 because of its powerful performance and ability to restore battery health. However, avoid the Yonhan if you're looking for something more robust and reliable. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.